Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my Euro GBP trading idea with you. I'll start from here on daily time frame. You can see I have plotted Bollinger Band and I have plotted this vertical line. Ignore everything before this vertical line because these are something else which I'm not gonna talk about in this video. So yeah, this I drew this vertical line on Wednesday. I mean this has been drawn on the candle of Wednesday of last week, that is September 6th, and that is when GDP disappointed from the UK, and ever since then all the recent data from the UK has disappointed traders. For example, uh, less than forecast CPI, and you can look at uh, MPC members who voted for increase of interest rate. You can look at the interest rate release, which was expected 25 basis point hike, but it didn't happen. And also you can look at today's PMI, average of PMI also disappointed. So that's why Euro GBP has been moving up as GBP has been losing value since Wednesday of the last week. So it looks like this has already been priced in so far, and market has reached a level from where we can anticipate a downward movement to the mid band of Bollinger. I have been trading Euro GBP for a long time based on Bollinger Band because it has been moving to the sideways here ever since mid of this year. So I will go to 1 hour and 4 hour time frames to understand where exactly can I get a bearish signal to take a sell position and to target this mid band of Bollinger. So I have drawn this horizontal line which is mid band of Bollinger because I have plotted Bollinger only on daily time frame, which is not be visible on other time frames. That's why I plotted this horizontal line to show the price of the mid band of Bollinger on other time frame, because the Bollinger will show a different mid band on other time frames, which is irrelevant in this case. For example, if I show you this Bollinger Band even on 4 hour time frame, then the mid band will change. So mid band on daily time frame was here, but if you look at the mid band on 4 hour, this is coming here. So I am not using Bollinger on the 4 hour, and there will be a very long explanation why I'm not using Bollinger on 4 hour, which will be some sort of education. So this is not feasible to make you understand why not on 4 hour, why on daily. That will be a very long discussion, but in short, I'm telling you, I'm trading a range of daily time frame where I'm using Bollinger, and this is where I'm going to target if I take a sell position. Now my task is to figure out where do I take the sell, where I take the sell position. So let's go on 1 hour time frame to find out bearish signals. So obviously we'll look at the price action. I'm in candles, but are candles working? I think now, because if you look at this is an engulfing bearish candle. If we look at all these three, like this one, and this one, this is some sort of evening star. Then there was a bearish engulfing, this failed, this was also three inside down, which pushed the price to the downside for a few hours. However, it didn't even cross a single bullish candle to the downside. So it looks like I shouldn't rely on any indication given by 1 hour candle, which is why I'm going to go to 4 hour time frame and see whether these candles are effective enough or not. So let's look at the 4 hour candle. Here we go. We have got a shooting star which actually was effective enough to move the price to the downside for almost 13 into 4. This is the 4 hour time frame. So for almost 92 hours. Oh, no, sorry, 52 hours. And then you can see another shooting star which also moved the price to the downside for again almost 52 hours. So I see that if we rely on the down signal given by 4 hour candle, at least we can get enough downward move to move our stop loss to the break-even point. So I will wait for any bearish candle pattern occurring here on the 4 hour time frame, and then I will take my sell position, and then I will either set trailing stop to move my stop loss to the break even, or else I'll manually move my stop to the break even as soon as the market moves by the magnitude of previous retracement. Look at the magnitude of previous retracement. For example, this one was 41.9 pips approximately. This crosshair measurement is not accurate, but it's 99% accurate. this one was 61.6. So next time when I'll see not 41, I will see if there will be the movement to the downside by 40 points, sorry, 40 pips, that is 400 points. I'll move my stop loss to the break even. So there are two things I'm going to wait for. One, bearish indication given by the bearish candle pattern on this 4-hour time frame. Then I'll move my SL to the break even point after 400 points, or else I'll simply set a trailing stop of 400 points and it will do the job. But I'm not going to trail it by 400 points. Basically, when the SL will be moved to the break even, I'll cancel the trailing stop. My main purpose is just to move my SL to the break even point. So that's all about this trading idea. Thank you for watching.